Welcome back to the Dummy AI Agent. Today we're taking things to the next level. If you've built a single AI agent, it's time to go multi. In this video, we'll walk you through what a multi-agent system is, why it matters, when to use it, and how to build one from scratch. By the end, you will have a working understanding of when it's worth going multi-agent and how to do it with tools like CrewAI and AutoGen. Let's define it first. A multi-agent system, or MAS, is a network of agents that can collaborate, communicate, and complete complex tasks together. Each agent in the system typically has its own goals or sub-goals, its own tool's ability to communicate with others. A defined role this setup mimics teams in real life. One agent might gather data, another might summarize it, and another makes a decision. Here's when you should consider going multi-agent. The task is too complex for one agent to handle alone. You want to break down work into modular steps? Tasks require reasoning from multiple perspectives or domains. You want agents to critique or verify each other's work examples. Writing a research paper, solving coding tasks, sales automation. Let's talk tools. Two of the best frameworks right now are: first one there is Crew. It is simple YAML plus Python config role-based agents task orchestration fast to prototype. Then you need to consider AutoGen by Microsoft, which is more customizable, supports agent-to-jet, chats better for complex workflows. Other notable mentions: LangGraph hugging Twill. Use CrewAI for today's walkthrough because it's lightweight and beginner-friendly. Here's how you would build a basic multi-agent system in practice. Step 1. Choose your framework and install the necessary libraries. Step 2. Define the agents. Give each a name, a role, and a goal. Step 3. Set up the workflow. Define the task and assign which agent does what in what order. Step 4. Run the system. Let the agents communicate, collaborate, and complete the task. For example, if the goal is to write a blog post about clean energy, Agent 1 could research recent breakthroughs, Agent 2 summarizes the findings. Agent 3 writes the final draft. You don't need to be a coder to get started. Most frameworks use simple configuration files or templates. Just start small and build up. Watch out for these pitfalls. Agents looping. Make sure tasks are well-defined and finite. Overlapping responsibilities. Assign clear roles, slow performance, reduce API calls. Use caching tool overload. Start small and add tools gradually, ready to go further. Try these. Add memory to agents with LangGraph memory modules. Add a manager agent that delegates dynamically. Enable agents to debate or review each other's work chain crews or create nested agent chats. You're no longer just using AI, you're orchestrating it. That's a wrap on building your first multi-agent system. Start simple, test often, and scale smart. In our next video, we'll show you how to connect these agents to real-world apps like Google Docs, Notion, and your calendar. If you found this useful, comment and subscribe to the Dummy AI Agent.